Judge Kimberly Moore today sentenced Ryan Hartman to 1 year in jail for sexually assaulting Bekah D'Aoust in February of 2011. This case came to be known as the sexsomnia case because Hartman said that he was asleep at the time of the assault. But the judge found that wasn't the case, that he was in fact drunk at the time and not asleep.
Overall, the assault has changed my life, and over the years I've tried to look at that in a positive aspect and see how it's made me stronger in the end. Not saying that my life is better because I was assaulted and that I was victimized, but I've taken the best I can from the situation, and I've grown as an individual and become stronger. So in a sense, I am thankful that I went through this experience.
Yeah, can you explain that a little bit, because that's an interesting phrase, you're thankful for it, and what do you mean by that?
And it's hard to describe, you know, if you haven't been victimized yourself, it's hard to kind of comprehend the emotions and how it truly affects your overall mental state. But ultimately, you know, I've overcome so much pain and so much hurt, and I've had to, again, like I said in my statement, I've made decisions people shouldn't have to make.
Hartman's lawyer had asked for a conditional sentence, essentially house arrest, but the judge rejected that idea, saying that this was too serious a case for that kind of sentence, and she imposed the year-long sentence in recognition of the fact that he'd already spent about a month in jail. At the end of the day, outside court here, she said that she was really relieved to finally have this case done after 8 years.
All right, you're listening to Justice Moore, and she says that he's getting a 12-month sentence. What goes through your mind?
Victory. Finally. It was just like, you know, I wanted to cry, but I couldn't because I'm not sad. I'm relieved, completely relieved. This is a win for so many victims. It's a victim for, it's a victory for people in my family who have suffered, who have died. It's just finally, you know, a win. And I really hope that other victims can see this and see, you know, like there is hope for justice.
You've been waiting this for 8 years. Talk about that a bit. I mean, that's a long road.
It is a very long road. It was painful, but like I said before, a lot of positive has come in the past 8 years. It hasn't all been hell. I've met some incredible people. I've learned a lot about myself. I've grown a lot. I got married. You know, I have a great career now, and who knows what the future holds for me now.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Becky.